Guys, so you all know about Roblox, and as you can see, it's right now shut down for maintenance, and it might never just come back. It might never. Um, and also, guys, I might just forget about Roblox after this. I might if it actually gets deleted. And make sure to leave a like and subscribe, please. And let's see if we still have hope. If Roblox would actually just come back instead of just, dying. Instead of Roblox dying, I might go back. But if Roblox is officially dead, then, it's the end of my channel. It's based on Roblox and how it's set up. Alright, yeah, that's basically it. Subscribe and like and comment down come back Roblox so that Roblox would actually come back. You see what I mean? Alright, might see you in the next Roblox video. If Roblox is back, then I will. It might just be another Minecraft video. See ya.